Writers, today we're going to take a moment and talk about revision. Revision means to change your writing and make it better. I had to revise my writing. I was feeling great about my writing because I had been using examples and making comparisons and writing in twin sentences. Then I read my writing back and realized something big was missing. If I'm a writer and I'm writing a science information book, there needs to be some science in my writing. I had absolutely no force and motion words or vocabulary in my writing. I did not have the word movement. I did not have the word push, the word pull, the word friction. Oh, I was horrified when I read my writing back. Let me show you what I at first was proud of, and then let me show you how I revised. You see on my paper that I did a nice job giving examples. There's Ajax, there's Fantastic, there's Soft Scrub, and I did talk about the advantages of each, that Ajax is great to clean tubs and toilets, Soft Scrub's a little better for countertops and sinks because it's a gentle cleaner, and that Fantastic was an all-around wonderful cleaner. I gave information. What's missing is science. So I decided I need to work hard to incorporate some science information. In addition, I wanted to put in some special features, some of those arrows, some of those motions and movements that show I am teaching about force and motion. So this is my revised writing. And you see, let me zoom out a little bit here. You see that this has more special features, and you're going to see that it also has more science. In this diagram, I said that it glides in a big circular motion when you use the rag with Soft Scrub. I said that with Soft Scrub, you have less friction. It's a smooth liquid that glides across the surface. Then I had an arrow pointing to Ajax. It has more friction because it has small, coarse particles that rub against the surface. Then I showed the difference with Ajax is that it moves in faster, smaller movements because of that friction, and it cleans better. So, how did I change my writing? Well, I did not change my text in the middle. It stayed exactly the same. What I added were the features and the diagrams, and most importantly, I incorporated some of that science information that I wanted my readers to learn. Writers, if you're looking for a challenge today, see if you can add force and motion vocabulary to what you've already written. I'm not asking you to rewrite. I'm not asking you to throw any of your writing out. I'm asking you to think about adding some of the force and motion vocabulary to what you already have. You can also consider adding thinking to your writing. For example, one thing that I realized I could add is I used to think that just spraying spray and wash on a stain would get it out. But now I know you need to rub it because it's the friction that loosens those stain particles. So there's a slide in the deck today that talks about adding thinking, and then many of you in your writing folder have some of that force and motion vocabulary. Let's see if we can revise today and make our writing sound more scientific.